62 Studios. ये जो feel है इस film की, that's very international. लेकिन वो intrinsic Indian, values are there. उसका बड़ा ख्याल रखा गया है. First of all, talk to us about that perfect balance.
I think पहली बार जब आदित्य ने मेरे को कहानी सुनाई तो मेरा पहला जवाब यही था कि हम इसको एक नए तरीके से कैसे बताएं और इसको ऐसा करें कि दुनिया में कभी किसी ने ऐसी फिल्म ना देखी हो. तो द आइडिया वाज टू सच्चाई से कितना हम करीब रह सकते हैं फिल्म में. तो ऑल द एफर्ट दैट यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट्स मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द धुरंधर्स हियर एंड हियर. हमारे जो HODs हैं, हमारे जो एक्टर्स हैं, पूरी जान डाल दी है उनमें. और हमारे जो HODs ने they have worked under extreme pressure. I just want to apologize to them because I know this was a very, very difficult film. We were uncompromising, but these guys have delivered the best. When I first heard the story, Aditya ko maine pehle, because Aditya when he writes, he never writes with the actors in mind. He only writes the story. My first thing to Aditya was, I think for the lead, Ranveer would be great. He's never done anything like this. He would be. And I mean, it all fell in place. I mean, he's done a fantastic job. Along with all the actors, I mean, they've just killed it. आप 5 दिसंबर को देखिए, हम ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहते फिल्म के बारे में, मगर thank you to all of you, the HODs, the crew, and most of all, thank you Jyoti, thank you Priyanka, thank you the entire Jio team for backing this up. This could not have been possible otherwise.
Yes. Thank you. Sir, I'd just like to add, before we get to the main person, I would just like to add this about Aditya. So one quote is most certainly true in his case, is that if your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. That could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today, and it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. Bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s, copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special. सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा.
SP असलम, अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे रंडवा बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब, आपको खस्सी.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna. Two of the most amazing actors that we have in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to Jio Studios की यहाँ पे जो करता धरता है, जिन्होंने इससे पहले भी बड़ी सारी जो कमाल की फिल्में उनको बैक किया, but this time, for the first time, I am seeing Jyoti Deshpande ji a little emotional. First things first, मैं पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ ये एक अलग इमोशन चेहरे पे आया है. Talk to us about that पहले.
Thank you everyone for coming here again. मैं बार-बार बुलाते रहती हूँ, but इस बार, it's something else only. I think 30 साल से फिल्में बना रही हूँ मैं, and सबके साथ पहले भी बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुकी हूँ and success भी पाया है, except you, and hopefully this is one of many. But I think जो हम बोलते हैं words career defining, clutter breaking, genre bending, हम बहुत सारी चीजें theoretically बोलते हैं, but one has seen it come to life, क्योंकि real बारूद तो ये आदमी है. He has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that any words will fail to describe what we experienced. सो ये पिक्चर नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया है बनाते हुए, एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू अनलीश इट टू द वर्ल्ड. एज एन इंडियन, you know, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story, you know. So thank you everyone, thank you everyone. It's, you know, now all we look forward to is presenting it to the audiences and let them have some fun.
Ma'am, just one more thing, you know, collaborating and partnering with B62 Studios one more time. And यहाँ पे जब शुरुआत हुई थी उस समय वो क्या विजन थी या क्या चल रहा था कि इसको इस लेवल पे हमको माउंट करना है, क्योंकि people are talking about the international level of whatever we see on that big screen.
देखो, अभी हम इनके साथ काफी फिल्में बना चुके हैं, तो हमें पता है कि वो पहले फंसाते हैं. तो पहले वो अंदर करते हैं, पूरा कुछ बताते नहीं है, और जब आप अंदर जा चुके हो, आप फिर चलते जाते हो एक विजन में. बट ये आदमी से ज्यादा प्योर आदमी है नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री में. इतना प्योर इंटेंडेड है, हिज इंटेंशंस आर सो प्योर दैट ही ब्रिंग्स आउट द बेस्ट इन एवरीवन. And you know, Ranveer, I have worked with you on several films, Bajirao, Ramleela, you know, we've had Singham. However, the way you've surrendered mind, body and soul to this one, it's, you know, I mean, we feel it's career defining. मतलब दुनिया उठ के देखेगी, not just India. Well done everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I just want to add to what ma'am said. You know, when a person is so righteous in their intent, you know, when he has a purpose behind telling the story, something great always comes out of it. Or like you, ma'am, I also went along with it, faced every challenge along the way, and he was leading from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na, so that's how you've gone about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, you know, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, you know, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in that same stage, I said, sir, ये ऐसी हिंदी सिनेमा में बनी नहीं है. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग, और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
You know, जब लोग आते हैं सुनाने के लिए, बोलते हैं, you know, extraction meets inception, या mission impossible meets XYZ, and मैं तभी नरेशन बंद कर देती हूँ. You know, so अब मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म की मिसाल दी जाएगी कि, you know, धुरंधर meets XYZ. लोग कोशिश करते रहेंगे. I've always wanted to be, you know, in my position, a kingmaker. I think this film will make many kings. And a beautiful queen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the writer, director and producer of Dhurandhar, Aditya Thar. Give it up for him.